The figure below represents a network of physically linked computers labeled A through G. A line between two computers indicates that the computers can communicate directly with each other. Any information sent between two computers and are not directly connected must go through at least one other computer. For example, information can be sent directly between computers A and B, but information sent between computers A and C must go through other computers. Which of the following statements about security in the network is true? So let's go through the statements. Statement 1 says computers A and D need to communicate with at least two additional computers in the network in order to communicate with each other. So A is here and D is here. And we see that the paths between them to communicate with each other can go something like from A to B to C to D. So that's going through two additional computers. We also see there's a shorter path going from A to E and then to D. In this path, they only needed one additional computer. They only needed E additionally. So that means answer the first statement is incorrect because you don't need at least two additional. You only need at least one additional. You could go from A to B to C to D, and that would require two, but you can also go from A to E to D to communicate between the two computers. So this 2 here makes this statement invalid. The second statement says computers B and C can communicate with each other without additional computers being aware of the communication. So if we look at B here and C here, we see that there's a direct connection between them. So that means that no other computers had to be aware of this connection because they have a direct connection between them. They didn't need any of the other computers in the network to be able to communicate. So they don't need to be aware of the communication between B and C. They're using this direct link. So the second statement is true. The first one is false. So that means the correct answer choice is B. Only the second statement is true.